Hi guys, and welcome back to Beauty Cakes, where we talk about all things beauty and curls. My name is Debbie. For today's video, we're actually going to be making a mimosa. I know it's not Sunday, but I feel like I owe you guys a mimosa because I haven't made one in like 2 weeks. So I'm sorry guys, been really busy. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, but before I do that, I also want to let you guys know that we're going to go ahead and unbox my Sephora Play that I got this weekend. So yeah, here's my champagne glass, and we're gonna be, I make up these names, guys. Sometimes I just take drinks and then I turn them into a mimosa. So you can name them whatever you want. You can just call them a Debbiemosa because I make them my way. But we're gonna be, I guess it's gonna be like a blue Hawaiian kind of mimosa thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and first add my mimosa, which I'm using the Brut Cooks, or the Cooks Brut. And I got a mini bottle, so I went waste big bottles of champagne. And we're gonna pour it about 3/4 of the way, like usual. That's fizzing up. Anyways, you guys can use a mimosa on Monday too, right? And then that's about 3/4, I think. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take some pineapple juice. This is the kind that I'm using. You can use any kind of pineapple juice. Open it. And then we're gonna do, let's say 3/4 of this amount. So, like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and add some blue curacao, or whatever this stuff is, this blue stuff, the blue liqueur, if I can open it. And I know that usually in a blue Hawaiian you add triple sec, or what is it, sweet and sour or sour mix, but we're not going to do that. And then we're just going to put like a dash of this, just so that it gets the blue color. And there you have it, guys, a blue mimosa. So your husband and boyfriends can drink mimosas too, and they don't have to be pink and girly. This is actually really pretty. Let's see what it tastes like. I like it. I dig it. Let me know if you guys try this. It is Instagrammable. It's really pretty. This is actually really pretty. Anyways, so like I said, we're going to go ahead and be unboxing the Sephora Play for the month of December, the month of March. So again, Sephora Play is a beauty subscription box that comes with 4 to 5 sample products, 4 to 5 sample size, sometimes full size products. And they always come with a bonus sample, which is usually perfume. And it comes in the box like this. And this is the bag for this month, it's actually really cute. I really like it. And then it also comes with your Sephora playbook, which looks like this. And then it gives you a description of the products right here that I got. And then you also get 50 bonus points every time that you get your Sephora Play box. So let me just go ahead and dump this out, and we'll just randomly start picking stuff. I really like this bag, actually. And it actually, you know, without thinking, blue bag, blue mimosa. All right. And then, of course, you guys, I'm 21, so I'm allowed to drink. I don't condone drinking under the age of 21. Drink responsibly. So the first thing that I got, let's see, is the Kula SPF 30 Organic Makeup Setting Spray. And that's what it looks like. I like setting sprays, so I am excited to try that. And then I got the I'm not going to try to say that. Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Spray. Again, I've told you guys before that I'm not the biggest fan of receiving hair products just because I am so picky with hair products. But it does say that it doesn't contain sulfates, parabens, silicones, no artificial colors. So I actually might try this. actually, but it's just a spray. You're probably not gonna be able to see it with all these lights here. Sorry guys, I tried. But it's just a hairspray. Let's see what it smells like actually. Oh, yeah, it doesn't really smell like anything, I guess. Oof. I don't really use sprays in my hair that much other than like the oil sprays. It doesn't smell like anything. And then I also got the Hypnosis Drama Mascara by Lancome. And I have tried this mascara. Well, I do have this mascara. I haven't tried it that much, so I will let you guys know. And then, of course, every time I do these videos, I will give you guys an update later, letting you guys know what I think of the products after I've gotten a chance to try them. So I do need to play around with this mascara more. Can I talk today? This mascara more, and then let you guys know what I think. But I have like lots of mascaras to let you guys know what I think. So many mascaras to try, so little time. And then we also got the Sephora Matte Perfection Powder Foundation. It says it's a modern hybrid powder foundation with a creamy texture and buildable soft matte finish. That sounds interesting. Let's see if they got the color right. It looks like that. Comes in a little like compact kind of thing. That's cute. So that's what it... Let me go ahead and like swatch. Oh, it feels creamy for a powder. And that actually might be a good shade for me because it like blended into my skin really good. So I'm impressed because most times when I do get samples of like foundations, they're really bad, really off. Ugh. Sorry, my camera wasn't focusing. They're like really off and I don't like that. I guess because in most foundations, I'm like the color tan. But maybe they think that tan means like something else, not my color, but they're usually really light for me. So I'm kind of interested to see what this is. I probably won't wear it as like a foundation. I'll probably use it as like a setting powder or something, you know, I wear on top of a lighter foundation. And then I also got the Sephora Triple Action Cleansing Water. I have been into cleansing waters lately, so that's kind of interesting to get. And I'm excited to try. My camera is not focusing today. And then the last thing that I got was the My Burberry perfume sample. And I have not tried this one, so I am kind of excited to try it. There we go. See what it smells like. You guys can't smell it, but it smells very... I don't know. Can't decide. Not like you guys can smell it with me, but, you know. Well, all right, guys. That was it for today. That is what we got in our Sephora play for the month of March. I think we're not in December anymore. We're in March. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys decided to try our blue mimosa that went with our blue bag. Let me know. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, leave me comments, thumbs up this video. Follow me on Instagram. I'm more active on Instagram. You can also follow me on Twitter, but I don't really go on Twitter. But you can follow me on Instagram. And that is it for today, guys. Bye, guys.